Bitcoin just did a massive fake out, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now, yesterday I mentioned that we did break below a support level, and if we got a close below it, we would be looking extremely bearish and possibly be testing the $17,600 level. I mentioned that there is a possibility that we might see one more fake out, and we might hit that wick low at the 18.6 and might continuation higher once more. That's exactly what happened on Bitcoin. Now, the only thing that bothers me about this move is this candlestick right here. You can see that this candlestick was pretty much a straight move up with no sort of wicks anywhere. Where have we seen this candlestick before, guys? We saw it right over here, right? We saw this beautiful candlestick form right here, and it created a massive fake out BART formation. Now, are we going to be creating another BART formation? That's going to be the real question, right? If we see another green candlestick just going straight up and then consolidating like this, then yes, technically speaking, we will be looking at another BART formation and a massive move to the downside. You want to be careful before you enter any sort of long positions right now, because you ideally want to see a pullback. We have seen a pullback on the 4-hour, possibly only testing once on this support level at 19.5, and I mentioned that if we can find support on this level multiple tests, we will be seeing a very large move on Bitcoin. But for now, there is still a possibility of us heading back to the lower sides of the 18.8, so I'll show you guys exactly what I'm looking for on the lower time frames. Over here on the lower time frames, you can see that we did see quite a bit of rejection on Bitcoin over at the 19.5, but we didn't get that massive breakout candle just yet, right? You can see we broke above, we retested the support once, it looks like. We didn't get that retest, guys. These don't count as retests to me because, again, we were breaking resistance here. We didn't get a clear break above and retest only once on that support. Now we would be looking for a further move to the upside, right? Ideally, what we're looking for is maybe one or two more retests on this support level on the 1-hour time frame, and then a massive move to at least complete this candlestick right here around the $20,000 mark. As long as we stay above that 19.5 level, we will be retesting that $20,000 mark for sure, and possibly be retesting that 20.7 overall move. Now, what happens if we hit that 20.7, right? If we hit that 20.7, we can possibly be looking at a very large move on Bitcoin, something like this, right, where we actually go and test 21.6, causing a massive fake out. You know, people start calling for, 25,000, 26,000, and then pulling the plug once more and creating a massive move to the downside. Now, there are also people that might be looking this as a cup and handle formation, which is very likely as well, and usually that does indicate, a larger move set. But you want to be careful before you do enter these sort of patterns without a proper confirmation. Again, on the 1-hour time frame, it looks like, a cup and handle, but on the 4-hour time frame, it can also look like something else. We are guaranteed in a bullish state for the short term, though, because even on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that there's a possible V pattern, and if we do break above this 19.9, we will be guaranteeing that V pattern play out. But there is something to keep in mind from the bearish perspective, though, right? Let's say, for example, we get this massive move and we see another fake out to the downside and we retest this 18.8 level. If we get a clear break below, and again, what I'll show you guys is a clear break below. I'll show you guys over on another pair, but right now, what I'm looking for a clear break is a trading candlestick right over here, right? What I would want to see is a consolidation at this level around the 18.5, and then you tend to see the larger move. You can see over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We didn't get that clear break, right? We traded below for a minimal one candlestick and then a continuation pattern right after. We broke above that support every single time we broke below, right? You can see once we broke below, we immediately bounced right back up. Immediately. And that's what I'm looking for, right? That's what I don't want to see, because these are just fake out moves. These are just V-shaped pattern fake out moves. Ideally, I want to see a break below, consolidate here, and then the move set to the downside. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.